I've been made aware of.
Hey, you want somebody to go? Vehicles involved, so he actually doesn't probably have any body damage on his vehicle, but oh shit!
Hey, someone needs to have been.
Body damage on his vehicle, but oh shit!
Hey, someone needs to have been.
2812, we got another accident here, took out a patrol vehicle. 812, we got another accident here, took out a patrol vehicle.
That's clear.
We got 2 vehicles hit at least. I don't think anybody's injured. Stand by. Get over!
Did you need me to advise me, man?
Stand by. We got 1 detained. Stand by, stand by.
That's good. 1 detained.
2729, we need more units. We just had multiple units get struck out here on the freeway.
Clear.
The patrol vehicle up there?
Any more units in around 245 Woodlands Parkway?
They took out Sed's car.
2729, no officers down, just units struck.
Huh?
Is there anybody back there in that car?
No, that's Cedric's car. Hey, that's McDuffie's car. He's fine. Sed's with me.
Units are in on 2 since of the crash, 45 Woodlands Parkway.
There's nobody in this vehicle.
Oh, that's yours.
That's McDuffie's. Mine's in the back.
This is I think that one got hit too.
Sed. Hey, let me call Mark. I'll call Mark. Go sit down. Hey, start taking pictures then. There's your tire. Hey, I'll call Mark. No.
2703.
You gonna call him? Okay, now I'm gonna start taking pictures.
Yeah.
I don't know if my car has been touched or he just missed it. Fuck. Get another trooper out here.
2703.
Huh? That's Sed's.
29, we're going to have operation units disabled. We're going to have a Shenandoah unit disabled.
2729, radios are down again, please be advised.
2729, we're going to have 2 outreach units disabled and 1 Shenandoah unit disabled.
729 clear.
At this time, with their units disabled, Oak Ridge does not have anybody in service. If county can assist, if calls come up for them. Myself and 2811 will be out. 2811's unit is out of service.
.729, if you've got more troopers in the area, we're going to need them. We're going to have several crash scenes out here.
Look out, Chris. I just need you to stay in the city and stay rolling. Forget that other vehicle right now. Sed's without a car, and it's going to be a bad deal.
All right, I'm on the phone with Sarge now.
I think Sed was calling him.
You guys 21 away.
That's clear.
6006, you have traffic?
6006, negative. I was advising 6073 where the parents need to go.
21 away.
Fuck,
Okay.
man.
Yeah, get your vest on.
It's on. We need another lane shut down. If I've got more units coming to shut down the freeway, I want just the HOV and the fast lane open if they can shut down the other lanes.
Any unit that's en route to the crash at Woodlands Parkway and 45. Shut down all lanes except the HOV lane, fast lane.
First responding with the unit shut this down.
So if they get hit, they don't get in trouble.
Huh?
Make sure everybody's got their traffic.
Units en route to Woodlands
Somebody
Parkway and
gets
45.
smashed.
Well, I'm having them shut everything down just to the HOV and the fast. Okay. You want fast lane shut down?
I want it all shut down. I don't know.
2812, go ahead and have them shut down fast lane too. HOV only. HOV only. There's too much debris up here.
2812, that's clear. Any unit that's en route to the crash, 45 Woodlands Parkway, shut down the freeway except for the HOV only. Again, shut down the freeway except for the HOV only.
2729, just to reiterate, both overage units are going to be disabled. We have no ability to run calls in overage.
2729, that is clear.
Hey! I told them that. I said, get county to cover y'all's calls.
Okay.
I got you.
Can I get any unit to the Shenandoah with a welcome truck, I-45 Kingsfield?
I have District 2 to help out overage. They're available. If we need some weapons units to help, we can do that too.
Okay.
What y'all got?
Crying about his phone. We got his phone there, but we stopped doing it. We stopped doing anything because there's some dope back there.
No, leave the phone. Where was the phone? In the back seat?
No, it was in the front seat on the floor.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, leave it. I'll go talk to him.
2-10-3, that's fair.
Is he crying to y'all about it? Is he having a fit about his phone? Yeah, no. I'll talk to him.
I haven't called EMS yet to check. Stand by one and I'll double check with them. I'll keep you on the original crash. 6006.
Yeah, there's a whole jar of dope. Hey, bud, your phone's in the car, but listen to me. No. Right now, your car is a crime scene, okay? Because of what's just happened. You took out multiple patrol vehicles, okay? So we'll get you to call your wife and let her know, okay? But right now, we're not touching anything until DPS or somebody shows up, okay? You understand? We have the phone. It's in the car, okay? It'll get to you, but not right now, okay? Let them come work this scene.
Was there already a wreck here?
Huh?
Was there already a wreck here?
There was a wreck here.
And I hit another wreck?
No, you hit my partner's Tahoe. You hit my other partner in Oak Ridge, took out his car, and another one apparently, and totaled yours, okay? You lucky to be alive, and you're damn lucky you didn't kill one of us standing on the side of this road, okay?
I'm sorry.
So, let me tell you, okay? Not good. I'll leave it at that, bro. Not good.
Any unit out with 2703, you need to verify he is secure. His emergency button is off.
Where's Dean?
7-2, Will. 2729, we're checking.
Okay.
Look out, Dean, on back channel. Can you hear me?
Was there already a wreck here?
Did he go up, or did he go this way?
I don't know where he is. Is that him up there?
Is that his?
Sorry about that, man.
Man, just sit there and be quiet. Shut up.
He wants his phone. Obviously, I told him no. If he fired him to get it, I said absolutely not. It's a crime scene. Got a jar of dope in the back seat, amongst other things.
It's a fucking crime scene.
I just told him.
Look out, Dean.
It's got to be him with the flashlight. Yeah. What you need?
I got wide on the way already. I know we probably use our contact. Where do you want to take it?
I'll get there. I started.
It's if you drop it, it's gonna be hard to get back up.
There ain't no tire on it.
2729, just be advised, I just spoke to DPS. They only have 2 troopers available in 2 Charleston areas. They're not over there now.
2729, that's clear. We appreciate it.
No, the inside is fine. The inside door.
I'll send him a picture right now. Tell him to hang on.
Then send me a picture.
You know that wasn't that brand new car.
That's it. That's Cedric's, not mine.
What's
What's on yours? You just have a flat?
05.
No,
I haven't looked yet.
I don't know who that belongs to.
That's Cedric's tire. What happened? What happened to Dean's car? Where was Dean's car?
Flat, and I guess, yeah, I'm gonna have body damage.
Okay. But we can get you changed and back in service potentially. Yeah. Okay. What happened to Dean's car?
Lieutenant Barry is on his way out here.
Okay.
So.
Hey, what happened to Dean's? Where was Dean?
Smashed. I haven't been up there to it yet.
Okay.
But it got launched about 100 yards.
That's what I wondered. Oh, don't. I need my phone to call my wife. I said, no, your fucking car's a crime scene. With that jar of dope in the back seat.
Exactly.
Oh no, we heard it. Oh man.
Yeah, scared the shit out of me.
Oh.
What happened? How'd this one get caught?
Him. He took out Cedric's car.
Debris, and it looks like he ran down the side of it.
Yeah. And then he hit
Which one was it?
that white Infiniti right there.
Hit my crime scene car, hit my... They got none of y'all running though. Yeah.
Yeah.
I still just saying. I gotta go assess damage on Dean's car.
Okay. Oh, he launched his. Yeah, I'm good. Scared the shit out of us, that's for sure.
Yeah, 609.
609.
I think we got enough units up here for traffic control, so anyone else around, stay in service and help out with calls.
That's clear. Any units still around to 45 and Woodlands Parkway, you can disregard and stay in service. I'm here. You guys unit numbers. Go ahead with your traffic.
He's not getting the phone. No phone.
2813, do you have traffic?
Negative.
Tell him I sent him. Let me go back and retake.
Yeah.
I just did, yeah. The one that just got in that box? Yeah. Oh, I need my phone. I need my phone. The fuck you do? That's a crime scene. I said, let me tell you something.
Public service information.
Look at that shit. He apparently launched, he ricocheted off of Cedric, off of McDuffie. I guess Hendrick's car got debris or a little side swipe and then ran into Dean and launched him.
Right in the back?
I'm been up there yet to see it. We can't work this though.
He didn't kill himself.
Nothing. Waiting on Trooper. So we came out to help Oak Ridge with that shit show, which is a 3-car crash.
We were just here and we just left.
Yeah, because I was like, hey, this started at Rayford. Then second contact. Second contact here.
Where did it hit at Rayford?
So the initial call is him. I'm sorry. This white car sideswiping that gray car. She's the one that called 911. She got sideswiped. Car's not stopping.
He's at the hospital. His face was doing. Oh
Yeah, you can see his hair hanging. So let's start there. So I'm in contact with her. She goes, no, that happened at Rayford. I'm pursuing him. I know. Yeah, you want to have some anxiety. Be up here when that shit just happened.
Who's seen this message? It's gonna be a DPS. Well, yeah.
Yes. So this is your initial crash. The initial crash. We came out to help Oak Ridge because they, of course, rated it to Tamina, and I'm like, I know it's not Shenandoah.
We got like 4 calls now.
Right. So I come out. I said, we'll come out for traffic control. So this is the initial call. End up finding out the vehicle on the off ramp on the left was the initial side swipe that happened at Rayford. So she was sideswiped by him at Rayford, followed him calling 911. I'm assuming he decided last minute he thought he was going to take the flyover to ditch her. He doesn't make it. She swerves to avoid his crash. She clips the back of that car. Done. So now we've got Rayford sideswipe, Oak Ridge accident, on ramp. Then this motherfucker comes up, I guess drunk and high as a kite, and takes out
This is the one I want.
3 patrol vehicles. Took out my partner's unit, so the first Shenandoah unit.
The one missing the wheel?
Gutted it, brand new.
Yeah, it's done.
Brand new.
Totaled.
Took out, I guess, Oak Ridge. Hendricks got debris, and then he launched Dean's, Sergeant Straight's car all the way up there for Oak Ridge. So there you go. He said, "Oh, was this a crash scene? Did I come through a crash scene?"
I'll bet that's the truck right there, huh?
But
No,
that's him. That's him.
The drunk's already at the hospital.
Well, that guy's already at the hospital. That guy's on his.
The drunk's already at the hospital.
Well, that guy's already at the hospital. That guy's on his way. This one, high as a kite, with his jar of weed in the back seat. So.
What's in the back seat?
Jar of weed. Plain view on the floor.
Passenger side.
Passenger side glass. The jar. I'm not the Dean's car.
Checking welfare.
We did a number on that one. Where you at, Sid? I'm headed back. bad day for him. My panorama camera is gonna pick up the entire crash.
I said we're gonna have great video.
My camera's gonna pick up all of it, and I got panorama on mine. What you need?
Yeah. He said, hey, well, we know what we already know. Get good pictures of everything. Get all this guy's information that we can.
Yeah, he's already been transported.
Yeah. Get a deal, get his insurance information, all that, and then I already got a contract record en route.
Okay.
Which is Alex, and then we're gonna tow it to the shitter plant.
Lock it up behind the gate?
Yep.
Okay.
Drop it down over there.
Okay.
He said, that's it, that's all we can do.
Hop in with me, and then
he said eventually once we get hop in with you.
it's gonna be after 3 before any of that happens, so I'll drop you off, get you to the car real quick.
Get everything out of it we can when we do. And
That's just right, too, man.
I don't know.
Well, we get in all kinds of trouble when we do that.
One time, sir?
Yeah,
Y'all got
single.
a welfare check and holding at the King?
Well, Lehman's in service,
Okay.
2813, but I need him to pick and choose what he picks up right now.
Well, it's 2 drunks at the King.
He needs to leave it alone, because I can't have him going to the jail. So, if they're on foot,
Well, I mean, you still got county to pick up your calls.
yeah, where's all everybody with the trainee? You see Dean's car?
No, I'm not going to go up there and look at that.
I put it just a real quick picture with Mark.
1318, remember that. That's the code for the shitter plant. I got
Oh, I have it in my camera. Or I don't have my camera,
She writes it down.
I have it online.
I'm almost out. If you can have enough, get a check by, please.
I'm going to take pictures.
Is there any other unit available to 45 Kingsfield?
66 correct. We are out on that one.
6063, that's clear.
6049, Central.
6049, clear.
Sorry.
HP Paul 36. Coverage from this rig. I'll be around soon.
You want some
A3 Paul 36.
light? Got his weed and his, Jack in the Box?
I mean, I think I'd be more pissed than I lost my Jack in the Box than if I lost.
Huh.
I was hoping I'd find receipts to a bar or something.
Yeah, I don't know. He's just high.
Jack in the Box. That looks like
scientific term, fluff.
Yep.
Hey,
Don't move.
Y'all got the tire tools in your car?
Cedric might. Give me a second, though. I got to photograph this whole thing. So don't move my tire.
I ain't moving.
Because DPS going to have to come out and measure all this. Let me see what you need. Bing, yeah. That thing.
Yeah, that thing.
Cedric probably has one.
I'll go back to
Mine, actually I do know I have one. Hang on. This is it's gonna be Lieutenant Barry.
Oh, okay. Well,
Stand by. No, this is a brand new. That's McDuffie's car. This is probably 3 months old max.
Oh, man.
3 months old max. It's a 20. If you look at our unit numbers, start with the year.
Damn. Oh, there goes everybody Texas.
Here, I got one. Come on.
You got one?
So, he wasn't here.
No.
I was.
Yeah.
My car's going to pick up this entire crash.
Yeah.
My video. You got one?
Got one. We might have one. Okay.
As long as I get it back. Just seeing if I can figure out where he barely missed me. Because he has to have started to veer over pretty quick. Man, I heard that shit coming a mile away. Come on down. Should be right up here. Here you go.
Oh yeah, there we go. I'll bring it right back to you.
Okay, yeah, I'm gonna lock this up, so just holler at me. have one coming. We have a contract record coming.
She's asked us, so tell her, y'all.
Hey.
That's what she says in my contract.
Yeah, we got a contract record coming to get this.
Start pulling those out here, and we'll get them off the road.
What she was asking is, contract records here, down there, can't get up here. I told him just wait.
We gotta wait on DPS until he does all that measuring.
We gotta wait for that man right there.
59, check that.
Hey, yeah, that's who's gonna be our contract record.
But they won't let him through down there.
That's fine. We can't have him up here anyway until he measures all the way probably from my car up. So tell him he's just gotta chill.
He said just, she said the same time.
Have the unit on the on-ramp today, just have it parked
Your traffic was cutting out real bad. You said you need the unit on the
What is like the worst?
contract record from Shenandoah. That's trying to get past the on-ramp. Have the unit on the on-ramp.
What's wrong with my vest?
Have this marked.
Hey, this is my first time putting. I was gonna ask you, is it on right?
It's not. It's not.
It's not on right.
I got a million.
Am I ugly?
No, you look fine.
Please let the Shenandoah record through.
I don't know how that
Unit
goes.
that's got the on-ramp shut down. Please let the Shenandoah contract record through.
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't know.
Okay.
Talk to me. Talk to me, Goose. I got a million pictures.
Okay. Can you get an accident exchange form
Okay.
and put
that on
what
paper.
we can, put it on paper, so
Yep.
we have it on paper.
Yep. I can. Let me just go. I have the license, the driver's license. I'm sorry, not the driver's license. I don't think anybody knows who the driver is. I got the vehicle. Let me see if there's a wallet or anything. He's probably got it on him to know a driver's license. If not, when I get to the hospital. We can pull the registered owner's information and assume that's him.
Blackmail, roughly.
They talk to him. They might know his name. That's fine. I got that. I don't want to put a name on it. I'll put it on paper. That's fine. I got a million pictures. So.
See a little weed right in the back seat?
Yeah. Oh, I got pictures of it.
Yeah.
That's why he was over. Fire was like, oh, he wants his phone. They're getting his phone. I said, you put that shit back. No, it was up front.
Oh, okay.
So I come over. He said, I need my phone to come on. I said, you don't get shit. I said, let me tell you something. I said, this is a crime scene. I said, do you not understand that you just took out 3 patrol vehicles in the middle of an accident? I said, buddy, I said, you ain't getting nothing for a while. I said, let me tell you something. And I said,
and then Daisy got.
and I said, big mistake.
Who else? What other car you hit?
He hit yours.
Okay.
I think he barely. He took out. He kicked debris and sideswiped him. I think.
And then boom.
He
put it back and
launched
rolled it
him.
down still. Yeah.
Launched him.
He busted his transmission.
Huh?
They busted that transmission.
Oh yeah. These cars are in bad shape.
Yeah,
Said I got a lot of pictures. I hope I got enough.
Yeah.
DPS is gonna do their own thing.
Yep.
I tried to get it from every aspect, every angle, as far back as I could. I know. Well,
Man.
you're gonna have to ride too, man, with me.
Last time, I was getting ready to leave, you know. Oh, we already like. He says glad we're okay. Everybody, Mark. That's the man.
They call Jake and Troy.
I call Mark, then Mark told me to call Jake.
Gotta get the fuck out of here.
Yeah.
Jake called Troy. You have to.
Yeah, and
This is your car's totaled.
Thanks, Ed. You broke my car.
Hey, I can give you another new car.
What'd you do?
I was looking at my car.
Okay, why are you giving me that weird look? Did you use them? Did they work?
Yes, and I'm looking at your car. I'm like, not this.
Normally I can't get to them. And every time they put those safes in the back of these Tahoes, they block them in on the side. Yep.
Just like a deed. Just 2 units of work based on family violence part of it, and I'll deal with the other half of this incident we got going on here.
Oh, back to around. From Montgomery County Police Reporter. On your seat. Right here. That's fine. That's fine.
They don't back there. Where? There is? I don't know.
No,
They
no,
said there
this
was-
started at Rayford.
Yeah, no, I know. Someone said there's another.
It's feasible. It's feasible.
There's another crash.
It's feasible. There's another one.
That's mine.
Huh?
Thank you.
Yeah, no, you're good.
Oh no, I'm sure because they'll
Yeah,
be.
no, they literally just, he watched it. He was
White
actually
Dodge
just
truck
pulled
and a
up.
little white Buick, but I think they pulled over up there. They kept going.
Well, that's right. You exchange information. You go about your day.
Yes, ma'am.
We got enough going.
I had one earlier. They were like, "Do we have to stay here for you? Can we just exchange information?" I'm like, "Why? Yes, you can."
Let me go fill that out. I'm gonna long walk back. I'm gonna sit in your car. You got a self-leveling kit? Oh, you got them airbags. Yeah, that's that Shenandoah budget. That's where all that overtime went. Them airbags. Hey. Nothing.
You okay?
We're fine. My car's fine. It's Cedric's car. They totaled.
Is he okay?
Yeah, he's fine. Nobody was in their car.
Oh, good.
Yeah. Hey, we can't move nothing till DPS is done. And this is like multi-accident scene here, so.
Well, Wyatt's here.
Yeah, I just seen.
Yeah.
So, good deal.
Apparently Beverly talked to somebody.
Yeah.
They said get him coming.
Yep. Yeah, we called Mark called Jake, but until DPS wraps up.
Yeah.
Hey, look outside. Hey, I'm writing everything up, but just give me a minute. DPS was trying to stop a vehicle that was coming up and would not stop, so I'm out with him. I got the fast lane stopped for a second.
Yeah, it's still right went down again. 2,900, requesting a public service from the unit on scene.
Negative, man. One of them responded. I got what I needed. They're right. Thank you.
Okay, which unit was there public service in?
We got anybody that can handle this guy?
Do you? 1055? Nope. Maybe it's somebody up here. Hang on. Let me go see if I can get somebody. You want to stay with him? I can't. We got our.
I'm working. I know.
Yeah, that's
I'm
our
working
patrol
this,
cars.
and then I'm also working the possible 55 that struck.
The initial, yeah, that we came
Because I
out
was en
to.
route to help him, but my source told me to go back to the hospital, and he's coming to work this.
Okay. Stand by. Let me see if I can get somebody. 2812.
2812.
Yes, ma'am. Do we have any free county units that can assist DPS up here on the main lanes with a possible 55? The only trooper out here is the one trying to work this accident. We have another vehicle infringing on our scene that needs investigating.
Claire, are you going to be 45 northbound main lanes Woodlands Parkway before or after?
It's right before our scene. DPS actually stopped him on the shoulder right here in the HOV lane. So he's right at the start of our scene. He just needs a free unit to help him.
Claire, can I get any unit en route to assist that trooper?
Look out, Seth.
Yeah.
Hey, see if you can get one of these county guys to come back and help DPS. Our trooper trying to work the scene. Gene just had a vehicle not want to stop for him. He's going to be a 1055 and he's begging for assistance. He needs some help.
That's good.
Give me a working. Give me them pink
There's about
I got this.
Yeah, I can be now.
20 county guys up there. I know they can come work it. They don't have a dog in this fight right now, in this accident. And they usually like it.
Come here, Cubs. I'll take care of it.
You want the pink ones?
I'll take the pink ones. You know that.
I got one coming to you, James.
Clear. Okay, I got somebody coming back right now because I'm like, there's a handful of county guys up here, and there ain't no county guys involved in any of this. So I said, somebody come do this. Oh yeah. Fuck.
Yeah.
Okay. So what we'll do, they're coming up here. I'll let him, you fill whoever's coming to work it, probably Kern, I bet, or somebody. And then we can leave the truck here on the shoulder, and he can take him over here to investigate. We'll open this fast lane back up. I'm gonna make sure he don't drive off.
Oh, keys are, you got keys on there.
Hang on a second, okay? All right, bud.
Tailgating the 18-wheeler, honking his horn at the 18-wheeler.
Oh, that's what I heard.
Yeah, I kept trying to stop him. I'm on PA telling him to pull over. Pull over now. I already admitted to drinking. Don't know where he's coming from.
Take a look-see. So, I was writing the paperwork and I heard all this. So I come booking it over here because I heard him on the PM. I thought, shit. You want to leave car here, truck here? If you want to work it, pull them all the way over to the other side. It's probably the safest. We just gonna have to leave the truck here and hope, because I can't keep this freeway shut down.
Yeah, that's fine. So I gotta get back to the hospital to work the 55 driving.
Do they take bullet drivers to Memorial Herman?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, I gotta come. My guy in the Infiniti that took out our patrol vehicle, I haven't ID'd him yet. Based on the registration, I think I might have him, but I'm not sure. So I will be at the hospital eventually.
I ID him from the hospital and I'll let you know.
Yeah, please. If you can get a DL number and just relay it to them, because he's got a regular name. It's like Michael Carter.
Okay.
So, at about 20
His
from
son
Houston.
Fuller's en route now, so he's gonna help with the crash also.
Awesome. He knows where to find us. All right. Once he gets him out, I'll open this lane back up. You want to cut your car through?
Yeah. So I can get back to the gotta let
I'm going to let you through in a second, okay? Just give me a minute. Just hang out here, okay? Because he's going to walk somebody across the freeway, okay? You just going to have to wait a minute, okay? Everybody else is stopped, okay, for a reason. I can't. It's a liability.
I can put mine there.
Yeah. Y'all want to sit behind it? Somebody's gonna hit it. It's coming.
I can look down with the shoulder.
No, it's coming. Yeah, the guy that just came up on the side.
They let us move it over here. That'd be smart.
So, county's working it. If he wants y'all to hook up to it, I can't.
No, I know
do
that.
it. But y'all want to holler at him? You can.
You gotta walk down there and just feel sobriety.
Yeah. That's what I told him. I said I can't have the whole freeway shut down.
Oh, he's gonna get behind.
Okay. Oh, it's just gonna turn into accident after accident. Yeah. Well, he tried stopping him. He's driving up on the shoulder. He's honking at him. He's tailgating an 18-wheeler honking. This guy walk up, eyes not even hardly open. He's so messed up. So. I can't. He's gonna sit behind it. I can't tell him to hook up to it because it's not mine. It's not my scene. ID. It's in the return, so they must have given it to DPS. They gave it Darius.
Darius.
Yeah, he got KPS for POM through the county.
The other night.
Nope. Yeah. What the hell, man? That was your job.
I was gone after
He
that.
left him there for you. Let's come out and talk to you.
Mark's on his way.
Hey, I'm sure if you wouldn't have stayed and waited.
This guy's a hot mess. So Alex was behind. I don't know if he. Yeah. Alex is behind him. I said I can't tell y'all to hook up to him. It's not my scene.
Oh.
This car right here.
Oh, yeah.
He's working that 1055. Pull it, wouldn't stop for troop. All of a sudden I hear him on the PA. I'm right here. I'm like, oh shit, get out the car. He's 10 sheets to the.
Hey, Senator Jen, do I have to go all the way down to Rayford? Get on there?
Yeah.
Hey, Seth, when you get a chance, can you call me?
Do me a favor, tell him he's gonna have to ride the right-hand shoulder all the way up because everything's on the fast lane, otherwise he's never gonna get up to us.
I'll tell you what, that car wouldn't have been there. He probably would have hit all y'all.
I'm telling you, my camera is gonna be good because none of this, the constable hit, nobody was here. My camera's gonna pick it all in. They're gonna make for some good video.
I'll tell you that.
What?
Whenever he took off running, whenever that car got there.
I heard it, man. Oh, shit. I hate being on the freeway. And you know, we had to do our SFST, our DWI refresher yesterday. The first video they show every time is the officer working a motorcycle fatality in Houston, and the guy in the Beetle comes through their scene, never brakes, never stops at 80 miles an hour, takes him out.
There's a video on y'all's DWI refresher. My ex-brother-in-law,
2011
Really?
he was a Harris County deputy.
Really?
And 45 and Fuquay. He was a county deputy, and I was driving a record then too, and I was probably staged about 600 yards behind. And this girl comes across 3 lanes of traffic and hits the back against the toll car.
Hold on.
Yes, sir. This is for the driver that did strike the police unit.
Hang on.
That's clear.
Fair, go with it.
ID number 24337280.
2812, I was clear, thank you.
He'd walk around the passenger side of his car and put the girl that he was arresting for DWI in the passenger seat. Well, this drunk girl hit the passenger, the driver's rear. He had just sat down in the seat. His cage over the top of his head, and he's a big boy, like real big boy. And it punched him over, and he was pinned in the cop car between the steering wheel and the cage.
Okay, just wait, find it.
It's terrible, man.
Yeah, and the girl that was
Getting arrested?
she had a cut right here from the lug nut on the car, hit her in
Whoa! I hate being on the fucking freeway.
That first guy that left, boy, his face is pretty fucked up.
Yeah, he hit the windshield. There was his hair was hanging from the glass. He put a hole. Well, luckily there was no skin. I didn't see any skin hanging, but he put a hole in that glass. So that's what happens. Getting a little bit of wet road because they had just started misting when I left the PD. So you know it was just hitting here, racing like jackass up here Friday night. This is vacation. Everybody's off next week.
And look, and they're thinking rotation's going to be good, and look what we're dealing with right here.
Oh yeah. I worked Conroe PD, so I know how rotation goes. So
They're thinking.
this is a big area for rotation.
Yeah, Conroe works because it's...
Yeah. The worst part about Conroe and rotation is if you out in George District by the lake, it takes you, an hour to get a record. You're like, because they all stay in town. Because 99% of the time, they go work in town. They're not going to get called out to George. But that was fine, and I don't know.
I remember when the city stopped at LaSalle Road.
Ha! It's going to keep on moving, too. Still is.
I remember when it ended at LaSalle Road. Back when I worked for Gullo, it ended at LaSalle Road and it didn't go past.
Shit, when I came out here, it ended at.
Go ahead.
I just wanted to advise that ID card that was given by that trooper, that's the one I ran earlier that had the 99.
That's clear. Thank you. All right. What'd you do? Just kidding. Just kidding.
Wait, 13, can you check a pistol?
Oh my God.
It ain't nothing going nowhere in those guys doing anyway. You'll be here, buddy. If you're on your way, you'll be here.
Ain't nothing moving.
380, zero numbers, David 65060.
Comes back.
Yeah, but it ain't gonna load up like that. It's a cluster. I ain't know. It's a cluster. I ain't seen a crash scene like this. Oh yeah.
I'm like, what'd you do? I'd be crying. My car's not even brand new. It's an 18.
Over the line. Way before.
My car is going to be the video capture.
You're calling me a DWI call. I'm out here at the end of this,
There you go.
45.
I say one of them.
Send me another unit.
I say Jason's car.
Yep.
It would have been his, it wouldn't have been mine. He's gone.
This is 3 DWIs.
No, he was way.
Then that's going to be 4. Well, I don't know if this kid's good way he's going to be.
I don't think he is.
So yeah, this is 3.
I think he was racing.
Yeah, then you got the DPS that stops. The Tony 95 took him, then he just stopped another one. Oh yeah, you want to a DWI checkpoint, stand right here and watch them all come by. Just wait to see who drives up the shoulder. There's your DWI. I want no part.
X-ray 4539.
Is this going to be related to any of the crashes?
Negative, he just dropped through the barricade.
Oh.
That is.
You know, dispatch is like, shit. These vests are the worst.
Okay.
All right, what you need? It's on paper. They confirmed that was him.
Okay.
That's it. No insurance. Unconfirmed. Unconfirmed. Now we can wait on DPS once they start to do stuff and start digging through, see if there's any paperwork. But per the state system, it's unconfirmed. So I would believe the state system over what paper you find in there that he's probably getting off tickets with.
Yeah.
I need to call my wife. The fuck you? And then these poor people stuck up there.
Yeah, this is bad. So he's passing PD 9 minutes. You don't want to get his own pictures.
That's fine.
All we need now is a case number from DPS.
Okay.
That's it. I got it.
We can't move though. My car starts where he came over. You can see it. And thank God, because you pulled a little more and I stayed back.
Right. We set it up right because we had him set.
Yeah. Now he done turned you and sent Dina flying.
Oh, man, his car was gone. That's about it.
I was like, he parked up there the whole time?
He going to get him. It's funny, man. You know when it's all slow like.
He asked Dean that. I appreciate you hauling out. You went right by him.
Somebody already jumped.
Tell Dean.
One of my.
You tell Dean. He blew right by him. You missed it, buddy. Jason's car will be okay.
Yeah, he can drive.
Buff it out. Yeah. Push that. Get one of these record drive. Push that fender back in.
Pop it back in. That's it.
I know they have. They were looking at your tires. So don't touch it. Nobody touch it. Wonder if your axle's still. Did it snap it?
Oh yeah. Look at it.
I looked, but I didn't. And of course, I don't know who walked up and was like, "Oh, that car's clean." I said, "Don't talk to him about it. It's 3 months old."
Hey, my wife is still on.
Yours? That's how you know they're drunk.
Yeah, you know you. I know. I ain't.
They were like, "Look at them springs. Look how clean they are. Look at your barcode. Still clean as shit."
I mean, look at it. Smooth off, straight.
You send tissue any pictures? I had to text Mike real quick. I said, if you wake up and see this call.
Guys on the airline, you book it right out.
Right?
Back to you in 3 days. Just don't ask questions. Cash only, don't ask questions.
Yeah.
3
Like, wait a
days, you'll be good
minute.
as
These
new.
parts look like they came off our auto theft car. That's so weird. He's a shit. My husband works for Conroe Fire.
Okay.
And I thought, I don't need him to pull up active 911 in the middle of the night, or they get a call, and he's like, so I better text him and be like, I'm alive, I'm fine.
Well, my ears perked up when you said that. I'm like, damn, I didn't know cops use Act 912.
No. My other half. The
Yeah.
other half. No, you just tape it back on. It's okay. It's okay.
The duct tape, new wheel.
How come this one's not flashing?
It's locked up.
Is it not supposed to?
Yeah, yeah.
We give it a little tappa. Oh, I would be in tears over my car. I'm sad when my car goes to fleet.
Yeah, now I'm sharing with Kevin.
Is that an LPR car?
1802.
No. Oh, that's a new one. Okay. Well, who was gonna get the new car? I guess they're not getting it no more.
Key? Somebody know. That's what I thought.
No.
All these went out too.
They all frozen.
Yeah, they all flat.
Knock my camera stuff down hanging in the morning.
Oh yeah. Don't fucked up. Oh look, yeah, opened up your sunglass holder and everything. You see that?
I've been in
Aw, not fucked up, AA Ron.
my favorite car.
Now
Watch, the next one ain't gonna be nothing like this.
Yeah, because you won't be able to figure out where everything is.
Won't be nothing like this.
Your back tire looks a little low.
Holding up the front.
I appreciate that we can laugh about it.
Oh,
This could have been a bad scene.
Might not be able to.
What?
So they asked about rain getting into it.
Oh yeah, no, it will.
it
We're gonna have
will.
to take. They're gonna have to tarp it. Yeah, I took pictures. Yeah, I took pictures of that when I came up. Your door is jarred.
I didn't see it.
Yeah, no, it's done. Done.
It's supposed to rain all day.
Let's see what's. Go ahead and see what's on. See, there we go. Oh, shooting definitely painted. He left that.
Get on the inside of the truck. Get over there. Damn, I ain't standing out here no more. That's the videos there. I'm not
Tell me that is not the eeriest thing now after watching that. And I still have to think about what's coming up here to this.
I was getting ready to bring it up.
Are you still live? No. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna turn mine off for now since we're not active on the scene.